What up, y'all? It's your boy O the God at O the God in IG. You are now watching the Book of O on Vibe Masters Media. On this episode, I'll be talking about the human avatar. Now, what is an avatar? An avatar is a character that you use to experience a different world, like in a game or something like that, right? For instance, The Sims, you create a play, you create a person to experience the game The Sims, right? You give them different attributes, different heights, different color skin, whatever the hell you want, different gender to experience the game. That's your avatar in the game. Now, what I mean by the human avatar is this body, the human species, is an avatar for a form of consciousness to experience creation at this level. All right, what's creation at this level? The third dimension level. That's the what you could touch, feel, see, all that. This dimension. I know you heard of the fourth dimension, and there's probably more dimensions and stuff like that, but specifically this third dimension. All right, 3D. So this human avatar is connected to this planet, this being called Earth. We are connected to it. That's why you see, like, if you watch Amazonians or those dudes from Australia, I forgot what they're called, but they're like really in touch with nature. Like, they know when it's gonna rain. They know when there's going to be a storm. Animals don't bother them. They are really in touch and tune with nature. There's even like this one white dude that he goes into like Africa, into the wild, and he'll chill and hang out with wild hyenas and chill and hang out with wild lions, like for real. And that goes to show you that we are part of the earth. We are in tune. It's just up to us to get on that level of consciousness, that frequency. So I'm bringing this topic to help people think consciously. Remember, this is just an avatar. Your soul, your spirit, your consciousness has no race. It has no gender. It has no bloodline. It has no sexual orientation. It just is. It's something trying to experience this life. And the human avatar is one species with different color skin, with different genders, with different sexual orientations that can have a bloodline. For instance, when you experience life in your avatar has this thing called DNA. DNA, what it is a hard drive. It's your body's hard drive, and it collects everything that you go through, what your diseases, your cuts, your bruises, you know, how you build muscle and stuff like that. And you're able to pass that down to the next generation, aka your bloodline, and you pass down the DNA. But you don't pass down your consciousness, right? Your kid does not get your consciousness. Your kid gets a different soul. That's why sometimes you see kids who are typically seem to be more aware than their parents, because sometimes it could be that that soul has been on this plane or living this life more than one time, more times than the parent had. If you believe in reincarnation, which Buddha spoke about, as well as in other religions they speak about as well. So I don't want to get too deep into that. That is what I wanted to cover with the human avatar. I will be breaking this down more. Hints and examples will be movies like The Matrix, the movie The Avatar with the blue people, not the one with the airbender, and even anime like Sword Art Online is also another one that kind of shows you how people transfer their consciousness into an avatar to experience a different world, right? This is a world. This is an experience, and we are experiencing it through this avatar. Try to grasp that. I will be breaking it down more in the future, as I said, and I'll catch y'all next time. Love y'all. Peace.